Beautiful one bedroom in Porter Square. This entrance is the living room. Good sized living room. Hardwood floors, high ceiling. Got a closet here. Beautiful kitchen. A lot of space. It's got dishwasher, window in the kitchen, microwave. Got a table here. A large bedroom. It can fit a king size or queen size bed. With a dresser. It's got a closet here. Another closet here. Clean bathroom. Got windows. The fan. This entrance for the basement for the laundry. Beautiful apartment. You have banks, restaurant, grocery shops. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.